Okay, what are we doing today?
We're doing a pancake. Ooh.
One and a half cup of oats, raw oats.
And then that one, and then
Okay, okay, try it again. Okay, do it together. Okay. Ah! Oh my god!
dun, 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 dun.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I
Who ate my pancake? Freddie?